Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete group chat on Messenger if you are the admin. Let's get started. So if you want to delete a group chat on Messenger, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your Messenger application, and after opening up your Messenger application select a group chat that you would like to delete. And now in order to delete that group chat, what you have to do is just tap on the profile icon, and now you will find the option which is see members. So now to delete a group chat what you have to do is there is no other way but just to delete your group chat one by one. So what you can do is just simply leave them one by one. So just tap and hold on to their profile. So just tap on their profile, and after tapping on the profile here you will find this option which is remove the group chat. Tap on it and just do that one by one to every single person in your group chat. So just remove the group chat, and after doing that now what you can do is just simply scroll down, and here you will find this option which is leave chat. Just tap on leave chat and then tap on leave, and after doing that you will successfully delete group chat on Messenger if you are the admin. So no one else can remove the members inside of your group chat except the admin. So because you are the admin you can just remove the group chat members and then exit the group chat, and by doing so you will delete the group chat successfully. So that's it guys, this is how to delete group chat on Messenger if you are the admin. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.